Hey guys, hello everyone. So today I'm gonna unbox the OnePlus 7 Pro Nebula Edition. So as you can see over here, Nebula Blue, 8GB, 256GB. Okay, it's an 8GB RAM and 256GB ROM. So I've purchased it a day ago, and I've purchased it from Chroma because I was getting a better deal over there. So I bought it from there. I had to open the box because they told me to, because they had to check it if the device is working fine without any defects. So here I am doing again a rebox and unboxing for y'all. So this is the box. Okay, so just ignore some this yellow color because it just got, because of something, it fell on my box. So this is the main thing OnePlus gives everyone, because they have a very strong community. So as you can see, they are talking about their community more here as well as here. Okay, and this is the box. So as you know, how to open the box is so unsteady. Okay, so there is the box. Okay, you just open up the box. Here are some of the details which I wouldn't show because the IMEI number is over here. The pricing of the device was 52,999. I got a 2,000 cashback plus a discount on it. So this is the box which you would get cover in it. So this is the cover you get for your OnePlus 7 Pro. And the best part is the quality of this is good compared to the other manufacturer. So I like it. I would use this for a nice 2 to 3 months depending on it, and then if it turns to be yellow and so on, I would change. And this is basically, you get documentation and all. So you get the SIM ejector. I really like the way they have designed the SIM ejector tool. It's been a long time they are using this design for the SIM ejector tool. It's really nice. And this is your SIM ejector tool, and this is go beyond speed. So this is just a uh, a tagline for the OnePlus 7 Pro they have given, as well as an easier way to tell you all what your device is and what are the features of the device. So it just talks about the device. So I'll just keep this thing aside. Then your safety information, safety and health information, your SAR, the radiation kilowatt, whatever it is. Okay, then OnePlus, so they talk about, they recycle their products like the plastic, the box and everything, and the OnePlus stickers. So it's nice that they have kept the box design the way they started, the red and white. And this is the welcome note. This is the invitation note they give to all the OnePlus fan. So this is basically a thank you note from Pete. Okay, the one of the person from OnePlus. Okay, he's basically the co-founder in OnePlus. Okay, this is the welcome note, and this is the device. So as you can see, it is nicely wrapped in this plastic frame which tells you about Never Settle, and then the fingerprint sensor on it. So basically you can open it like this or just push it down like this, however you want to open it. So this is the device. So as you can see, the device is nice shimmery color. As you can see, the moment you change the position of it, the nice colors, you can see gradient color with blue and some silver lining on it. And this is the 3 camera module, and nice color. Then there you have the USB type C charging port. I'll switch on this. I've actually switched it on and I've just checked it. I'll just switch it on and keep it aside. And this is the warp charger. Okay, so they have claimed really fast charging speed on this. And then you have the charging adapter. Okay, so this is also I liked it because it's nice red and the quality of the wire is thick compared to other manufacturers. So as you can see, it's type C. And the only thing I didn't like that OnePlus didn't do this time is the mini converter from USB type C to headphone jack, which they should have given. For the looking at the price they have been charging for the OnePlus 7 Pro, it just costs around 300 rupees. They should have given, but they have not. So that's the only thing I didn't like. But the feel you get from this device is really up to mark, and I really liked it. So this was the unboxing for OnePlus 7 Pro. Thanks for watching.